Yep, they're still in there.
Oh, they're going. We're pushing them out. See them?
I'm scared in here. I'm scared. Ooh, I'm glad that. Look at all them.
Look at all of them. Hi, dear. Hi, dear. Is that fun going through a tunnel or what?
Who's that?
I'm going to do it again.
Oh, well then you have to ride a horse again. It's a lot of work.